Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to set wallpaper on keyboard in Android. So as you can see, currently I'm on my Android and here we can see the default keyboard. And now I'll show you how to change this keyboard theme. First of all, go to your Play Store and search for Gboard. All you have to need just install Gboard on your Android phone. Once it's successfully installed, open Gboard. Tap on Enable in Settings. Tap on, and here you will find Gboard. Just enable Gboard and tap on Select Input Method, and here select Gboard. Tap on Done, and now tap on Theme, and here you will find bunch of different theme. You can select any theme. Let's select this one and apply, and now going to my WhatsApp, and as you can see, my keyboard theme or wallpaper has been changed. And if you want to use a photo, to make your keyboard wallpaper, go to your Gboard and tap on theme, tap on this plus icon, and now from your gallery select a photo and then tap on next, and you can adjust brightness. Tap on Done, tap on Apply, and here we can see my keyboard wallpaper has been changed. So this is how we can set wallpaper on Android keyboard. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.